Guys, hello from Kyiv. Misha in my pocket and I at our usual spot, Michael's Monastery, a little bit late tonight, and it is Saturday, and maybe you already know that Russia launched today a lot of rockets and drones. So it was massive rocket attack and drone attack on our country, and I didn't sleep well as many other Ukrainians because it was a little bit stressful. You don't know where they hidden that night. So, and you know, it's difficult to go to bed after one night the drone, like my previous video, drone were flying around my place, grandma place, and you expecting the huge attack and you try to sleep, but also in your mind that safety of your grandma because she lives separately, safety of your dad because he lives separately, and my safety. So we're all in different districts, and it's like a lottery what is going to be hit. And yesterday I was worried approximately at midnight because I see many drones were coming more and more. And before I go to bed, I saw the monitor wrote that there is activation on the air bases, like some signals and so on. And a little bit later, I already posted my video, and I saw that 5 aircrafts took off from Olenia, and it means that if they're going to, like most probably they're going to launch rockets, their rockets will be in the territory of Ukraine approximately 3 or 4 a.m. And you kind of have this time to sleep, but you go to bed with the things that maybe you're going to wake up with a huge explosion, so you go to bed tired. You know, probably you're going to wake up, so you don't know what to expect. So, and I see that I saw many drones were coming, like not directly to Kyiv, more in the south, like to Dnipro and so on. And I thought, like, if the drones come in the direction, could be that the main attack would be in this area too. And I add this map, the direction of rockets and drones. So the main, it was on Dnipro and Pavlograd. It was a very heavy night, and the sadness about all this, that the 3 people in total, according to our President Zelensky, were killed in Ukraine. One of them killed in Dnipro. And firstly it was 13 injured, then 26. By the end of the day, it's 36 injured in Dnipro, because I just started this news with the horrible attack because the rocket hit the residential building in Dnipro. Going to add some photos and videos and talk more what's happened in Kyiv region last night. So it was loud, stressful night, and massive attack. And during the day, it was many drones also come to Kyiv. It was flying or this district or that, or left bank, or Podil. So it was yesterday and today. It was a lot of air sirens during the day even. It's hard even today. I have like I want to get my grandma a little bit of makeup, and I went to the shop between the air raid sirens, and when I was in the shop, you know, the shop is going to be closed, and the air sirens started, and I remember that the girl, she advised me what to take, run with me to the cashier, that we have chance to get this this stuff, because it was such a day of air raid sirens.
Тимчасово припиняє свою роботу. Просимо вас зберігати спокій та пройти до найближчого сховища цивільного захисту, яке розміщено на станції метро Театральна. Виходи з будівлі.
And I remember one day it was something the same during the day, and I was get ready to going somewhere, and I need buy some gifts. I didn't remember, some socks, gifts, something from the shopping center. And it took me a whole day because I came to the shop, air siren for 2 hours, go out, came again, and half an hour again air siren. So it was all day here and back. So today we have very busy morning, night, and I guess the siren was some sirens was till 3 p.m., something like that. I don't remember. 2 p.m. I'm going to add some screenshots. So yeah, let's talk about news updates about massive Russian attack on Ukraine last night. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Thank you to standing together with Ukraine. And I remind you about campaign Car for Ukraine. We collecting money for the guys, for the car, for the guys, for the front lines. Thank you so much for your supporting. And let's start. Also, let's speak about that. Of course, Russia sent into my country drones, but they targeting cars, civilian homes, and just quarters while people sleeping. We making drones to attack and defeat Russian militarily and militarily. Tonight actually, armed forces of Ukraine reported that we attack oil refinery in Saratov and someone else in Samara, I guess, Saratov and Samara, and these oil refineries produce, I guess, account for more than 5% of Russia's total oil processing. So this our goal to defeat Russia. A Russian goal to make the genocide in my country, that Ukraine wouldn't exist anymore, because all Ukraine is in their view is not legal and belongs to Russia, and it's not our land. So, speaking about the attack, the worst was in Dnipro, as I said. Adding photos and videos from this rocket hit the building, and reports about one killed and 36 are injured. Eight are in the hospitals. So in total, it was 578 drones, and we intercept 552. It was 8 Iskander ballistic missiles, and we intercept 2. And it were 32 101 cruise missiles, and we intercept 29. And mostly it was Pavlograd, Dnipro, and Kyiv region, Mykolaiv, Zaporizhia region, some part of Odessa, Sumy, and Kharkiv regions under the attack. So it was massive. And in Kyiv region, I checked, it was above 50 drones, and 3 districts were damaged. And Sofivska-Borshigivka, it's, I can say, like outskirts of Kyiv. Thankfully, residential buildings was fine, but cars were burnt in fire. 4 houses and 10 garages were damages in Borispil district, Bucha district. 5 cars destroyed, 8 more damaged, and windows blew up from apartment complex. And the Bukhiv district, it's south of Kyiv, 5 houses and 2 cars were damaged. So it was a huge attack, 50 drones only on Kyiv region last night. And during the day, I forgot to say that were attack on Chernihiv and Chernihiv region. It was 4 explosions there heard. So I have not seen much details, but tonight, like last night and during the day, Russia like sending drones and attacks is like non-stop air sirens. It was really, I don't know. I tried to plan my day, but it was hard, to be honest. So guys, actually that's it for today. The only thing that I forgot to mention, that during the day above Kyiv was also a recon drone or drones. Most probably Russia doing some investigation, checking what's to attack next time and collecting power not for Dnipro, collect power for Kyiv and target us. So we will see when. But yeah, it was just a couple of last night was really. I wake up during the night and you just sleep with some parts and. I don't know. I don't know what to do, especially as I said in the beginning. I also worried about my family, and so it's just like you never know what to do. So trying just to sleep and check your phone, check the news. So yeah, thank you so much for all your comments. I start to checking them about my previous video from my balcony. Yeah, like it was sounds of drones, but sometimes when it's rockets, it's way worse, way loud. So it depends on the day, but yeah. So drones are flying in the center of Kyiv everywhere. There are lots of drones, and it's war of drones, and Russia is making more and more of them. And how we can stop it? Only targeted these places and save life of our people. So getting a little bit chilly, autumn, and so guys, thank you so much for watching. Late Saturday evening in Kyiv, and going to edit this video, and maybe I have chance to sleep better tonight. So thank you so much for watching. Misha is called saying goodbye. Tanya saying goodbye, and talk to you soon. Thank you for supporting, standing together with Ukraine, and have a great and amazing weekend.